Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add an email to your Facebook account so you can actually use it for logging in and notifications. So first, simply open Facebook on your PC or mobile browser. Then simply log into your account. So from here, you can then go to Settings and Privacy. Then simply navigate to Settings, then select Personal Information, and then Contact Info, and finally click on Add Email Address, then type in the new email, and then click Add. Alright, so Facebook will then send a confirmation email to the address you added. So once you receive that email, simply open it and click on the confirmation link to verify it. So once verified, the new email will then be linked to your Facebook account and you can then use it to log in or receive notifications. And that's it. So that's how to add an email to your Facebook account. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.